Let us discuss how to use this roller scale. This is a roller. This has two supports at this scale like this. Okay, it is freely rotating, and it has also one scale on the roller. Okay, like it is starting from 1, 2, 3. Okay, in centimeters, and here it is a normal scale 1 to 30 centimeter. Longer scale will also be available. Then it has protractor also. As we know, protractor is using for marking the angles from 0 to 180. Okay, let us see how to use this scale. Okay, take one example. So in it I am taking one line, okay, of some line. I do the line here of 8 centimeter. Now I will do the parallel line at different distances. Just move this scale in downward direction and do 8 centimeter line, and then do at some distance, and here do one more line. Now in this example we did the parallel lines by using the roller scale at different distances of gap. Take the next example. In it also I will take some 8 centimeter line. Okay, now I will do the line at each 1 centimeter. Here one mark is there, so it is initially at 6. Okay, and tilt this, move this roller scale from 6 to 5. So I do one line of 8 centimeter. Again turn this roller in downward direction. I keep this marker at 4, 8 centimeter line, and then keep this marker at 3, 1 centimeter line, 8 centimeter line. Like that we can do equidistant line, parallel lines. The next example, in it I wanted to do vertical lines. I just do 8 centimeter line of any length you can take. Parallel line to this vertical line. Move this scale in this direction. Now I wanted to do, after long gap, do here 8 centimeter line. Like that we can do unequal distances vertical lines. Next example, in this I will do parallel lines with equal distance. Okay, take some 8 centimeter line initially, and then at 1 centimeter I wanted to do one more parallel line to this vertical 8 centimeter line. After 1 centimeter I will do one more line, and after 1 centimeter, like that at equal distance we can do the parallel lines. Similarly, take the next example. In this I am taking same 8 centimeter line, inclined line, and at some gap I wanted to do one more parallel line. Just move the scale in downward direction, okay, and move it here at little gap. Now I wanted to do at long distance 8 centimeter parallel line. Move this roller scale in downward, do the 8 centimeter line, okay, like this. So here the gap is unequal. The next example, in it I will do parallel lines of equidistant inclined lines. Take 8 centimeter line here. Initially this mark is at 4, okay, and then turn this in downward direction at 3 mark, that is 1 centimeter gap. I will do one parallel line again at 1 centimeter at 2. Like that we can do the parallel lines at equal distance. Okay, so it is easy to do the inclined parallel lines. The next example, in it we are taking some line, okay, some length of the line at one of the point. Take A. At A point we need to mark angles. By using this protractor we can mark the angles. Let us assume we have to mark 60 degrees. So here just join this point to A. It is a 60 degrees line. Okay. Now at 60 degrees we have to do the parallel lines at this points. Means let us take and move the roller in this direction, okay, for getting the inclined line, 60 degrees line at whatever gap we can take, like this. Okay, we can do parallel lines like this. Take the next example. Let us assume we have to do the circle of different diameters. Take one of the point as center. Okay, I am keeping one of the point is at the center. I wanted to do circle.